Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the hotspot settings on the source device and making the SSID visible. This creates the beacon device's use. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices so they can negotiate a connection without a password. You should also enable nearby sharing or personal hotspot features in system settings. These allow secure automatic pairing. Make sure both devices have recent OS updates so the handshake protocols match, and keep them close to avoid interference. You now trigger detection from the client device. Scan for the source SSID or open the nearby share pane so the hotspot advertises itself. When a prompt appears, check the displayed device name and any short fingerprint. This prevents accidental connection to imposters, and then accept. If the platform asks to confirm a one-time numeric code, compare and approve. Otherwise, allow automatic approval for trusted devices. Keep an eye on system prompts. They negotiate credentials, so you don't need to type a password. Finish by verifying the client received an IP address and has internet access. Open a web page to confirm. If the connection fails, toggle the hotspot off and on, then repeat the pairing step. You often resolve transient negotiation errors this way. If problems persist, reboot both devices and check app or OS permissions for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth access. Sometimes permission revocation blocks passwordless handshakes. As a last resort, remove any previous paired profiles and start a fresh nearby share connection to rebuild trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.